In this DaVinci Resolve project, I have applied changes to a video clip using the following features of the software. I have added text using the Fusion application, and I've also reduced the red output using the RGB mixer inside the color application, leaving the green and blue shades. Returning to my edit window, how am I able to see the video clip in its original form? Hold in Shift and press D, or click on the Bypass Color Grades and Fusion Effects button above the top right corner of your preview window to deactivate both the Fusion and color effects. What if you wish to only disable one of either the Fusion or color effects that you have added to your video clip instead? I will hold in Shift and press D to restore the Fusion and color effects. Go to View, select Bypass Color and Fusion, untick Color. Now if we return to the bypass function in the top right corner, we can see that the setting has changed to bypass Fusion effects only. Select this, and we can see that the text that was added in the Fusion window has been removed. Click Bypass Fusion Effects to restore, and a similar setting can be applied where we obscure the color effects only by unticking Fusion and leaving color, so that any changes using the color application are obscured only. The background music in this video is provided by the proud channel sponsor AUDIIO, a link to the company's website and one that enables a discounted purchase of a lifetime supply of music and sound effects can be found in this video's description box. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.